think it's working. I'm not quite sure. But it says recording, so I think it's recording. Pistachios, they are called wonderful pistachios. They are so not living by it. These things suck, okay? Never buy them. Go ahead and buy yourself some mixed fruit peaches. That's where it's at. Kush agrees. Don't you, Kush? Yes, you do. You're dirty. I'm gonna put you back. Well, that's Katie right there. I'm probably gonna, yeah, that's Katie. Put your face up. I'm picking a nose. So, I felt like making a YouTube video, and guess what? I'm making one. So, I got myself, I don't have myself, there it is. I got myself a Swiffer. Yeah, I like cleaning. No, I don't. That hit the elevator. Oops. Wow. This is a good video. Dude, this is gonna get so many hits. So many hits. Oh my god. So many hits. I know. I look like an albino. You can save the comments for yourself. Okay, so guess what? There's this song called Hummingbird by Never Shout Never. I love it. I also have a text message. I don't know. Haha, go on my page. For the board. I'll pray for change. You see, this world has lots to offer, but in time it will go dark. I'm sure we will go far, and with a boy as sweet as you, there's not much else she can do but fall for you. You know that I'm a wrecking. You know I can't breathe at the edge of my seat with each word. As the months turn to years, just know that I'm right here with you, for you. 'Cause I pray for change. You see, this world is kinda sucky, and I'm gonna remix this song by Never Shout Never. I hate the stupid words, and all it ever did was make me sad, because it talks about love. And I know that I'm tone deaf. Ooh. For you, Jesus. Yes, you. I'm talking about you. Look down upon me. I'm making it for you. Screw you, you gave me bad eyesight. Make fun of me, right on this, I swear to God, I will chop off your Barbie's head. Yes, I will. I'll do it. I hear you laughing back there. You want, you know what? You wanted to, here's lollipop! I missed. Go for it. Oh boy! I'm a dork! Yeah, for you. You see yourself back there? That didn't work either. My mommy's calling me. I have to go to the potty. Bye, YouTube.